Endplays and Coups, David Bird and Tim Bourke. Page 44, problem 13. East has bid 3 hearts. We wind up in 6 spades, but we're going to say that East probably got 7 hearts for that bid. So let's play East for having a 7-card heart suit. And let's see how it goes. Leads a heart. East has 7. We have 5. That's 12, 13. So West is playing the only heart that West has. So we're in a slam contract. Let's see, what do we need to do? We've got 8 trump. If they break 3-2, we'll take those. Heart loser in our hand? No. Club loser? Yeah, unless we can get him. Unless we can get West to lead a club. And the diamonds might be able to get a long diamond or even rough a diamond in dummy. So let's continue. Well, we take the ace there, and now let's try to draw trump. They have 5 of them. Well, they've got 3 left. And now they've got 2 left, and they're both in West's hand. So we probably going to lose the jack. It is probable. The jack of spades. Now we need to avoid the loser in the clubs, and you could finesse it, but let's look at the shape of the hand. West has shown up with 4 trump, and since he has 1 heart, we talked about earlier, and he looks like, well, we don't know how many diamonds he has. Let's see, we'll play the diamonds and see if he trumps in. We'll like his return, and he's had 4 diamonds. So he's got 1 heart, 4 diamonds, 4 spades. So he's 4-1, 4-4 shape. So he has 4 clubs. So he is the favorite since he has more clubs than East. He's more likely to have the queen of clubs. So we will play him for the queen of clubs. So we're going to play him with a trump lead, and so he will have to lead away from the queen of clubs. Now, going to, yeah, there's the 4th diamond. Now we're going to cross over to the ace of clubs, and there we have the position that is the diagram on page 45. We play an ace. Okay, he's got the jack left, we know. And we know from his hand that he has he started out with the 4-1-4-4, so he has 4 clubs. We will play another trump, giving him the lead, but he has to lead a club. So we're playing him to have the queen, and he did. So we take that, and now we've got 1 club winner and a trump, making 6.